Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. I'm back yet again with BITSGAP, our grid trading bot. As we're going for our one Bitcoin value, we started with $5,000. Looking at our Qcoin account, we're currently standing at $8,600. Getting there slowly but surely, keep on going towards it. Looking at our BITSGAP, you can see Cardano in XRP has been out of range. The lowest amount is Cardano, so we update Cardano first. But let's first see, do we have access amount available? Quite a bit of Cardano available and XRP. So what we'll do, we'll throw the XRP to Bitcoin so we can get the most value out of everything we have as we reset our two bots. Then we'll just keep on letting it run, let it keep on going and see how long it's going to take us to reach our goal, currently around $60,000. It's an account I've set aside, and all I'm doing there is compounding day after day, well, week after week, since I've just been compounding the days I'm making this video. So what's happening in the account and how it's happening, you're seeing it all. So our XRP should have gone over to Bitcoin now. Just have a little bit of Q coins available, but that's for just cheaper transaction fee. So let's get to our bot. Let's cancel our Cardano bot. We'll just copy the high price. We'll cancel the Cardano bot. Then we'll reactivate it with everything available. With a few seconds. All done. Let's go to Qcoin and see if there's any funds of Cardano still in order, or is it all in the available section. Then we know everything has gone over. Let's look at Cardano. A little bit still in order. Refresh it one more time and make sure about it. Everything is back in available balance. So now we can just go back to our Bitsgap and click on start new bot, classic bot on Qcoin, looking at ADA against Bitcoin, put the high amount in which we've copied, go for 50 grid. See grids. I'm gonna put a lower in just a little bit, give it a little bit of room. Go, got our 50 grid set, and we preview it and we'll restart the bot. We're selling a little bit of Cardano due to the fact we added more buy limit. Let it run, start up. While we're waiting for the Cardano bot to start, we can have a look at XRP, which is out of the grids also. Quite a bit outlet. Here we go. Our Cardano bot has been started. Let's go back to XRP and get our top line is 8. Correct. Copy that amount. Let's stop XRP. So we can readjust it at the remaining funds available. Let's have a look. Did they leave us any Cardano to play with? If there is any Cardano available after the bot is started, I'm going to use that, throw it over to Cardano might still be active. Let's see. Won't leave us with $600. Unless I've made a mistake and I can just rectify. Right, Cardano is going down. Give it a few seconds. Just be too fast. $74 left. That error. There will always be a little bit amount left due to the fact that the bot leaves 5% of your total value. Doesn't use every single penny. It seems like that's what's left. We'll switch that to Bitcoin and we'll use it in our XRP. Sell that towards Bitcoin. let it run. Go. ADA has been sold towards bit. Now we can just go back to our XRP bot, making sure there's nothing in orders. Go back. New bot. Classic. Looking at XRP. Put in the high price. 50 grids. Just move this lower up a little bit closer. Little range. If the market keeps on going, I'm pretty sure looks like we're gonna get there shortly. Start standing. We'll probably see all-time highs. Go. We use all available funds. Get our XRP bot started as well. Selling a bit of XRP, it's fine. Due to the fact it's working up and down the entire time, I don't mind selling a little bit. Because when selling a little bit, it gives you the opportunity to get back into the market immediately. And that will cover the cost the ones you've sold for a little bit smaller profit than you should have gotten back. Wait for this bot to start. And then we'll just look at the packages that's been updated again. And remember, make sure you know how many days you have left on your packages. If you don't pay them in time, the bot will cancel all your orders and you won't know where they've been. Bot has been started and it's activated. Picking up here, click on manage plans. As you can see, I got 11 hours left. Let's look at the packages. I'm just waiting for run out because I'm going to take the advance. $69. And the main one that's been changed on my main account, I'm using 20 active pairs now instead of just 50. I love this change. It's beneficial to what I'm doing. So I got my 20 pairs running on my main account, and my strategy and task of reaching 1 Bitcoin worth I'm doing on an advanced account. Going back to our bots, you can see everything is active and running again. And looking at our Qcoin, did it leave us with any available funds? Seems like it might have left us with a little bit of XRP, around $80 worth of XRP. But the main thing is, bots is underway, running again, keeps on accumulating crypto for us. Have a great week. See you next week. And remember, hit that like button. Take care.